sorry I'm all sweaty. It's because I'm sweaty. We're going backcountry camping for the first time tomorrow. I don't think I've ever actually like camped for real. It's always just been like with family, and it's like we bring all our food, we cook at the grills, and we have a reserved site, and you kind of just like go around like the state park or whatever. But this time it's backcountry, so we're hiking a couple miles to the campsite and then staying there overnight, and then we're planning on leaving like early sunrise. We can get to the campsite and figure out what we need to do. If there are any problems, we have time to go back and just, you know, it's just for safety. I don't know if I'm really worried about anything, knock on wood. I hope we don't have to even think about the bear spray. From a distance, maybe like if we were up on a mountain and then we see a bear like miles down or like really below where we're not going, that would be cool. Ooh, we have, Denise is gone right now. She's getting our dinner. We ordered Mexican food because we really haven't had meals this entire trip. It's been like 3 days of us just like, like snacking, like whatever food we had. There are my tacos. Coming very slowly. Really slowly.
Vámonos.
Vámonos. It's the night before we camp.
We're feasting.
We're feasting. It's raining. Good morning, Smokies. So we just stopped at this little overlook area because the sun was rising. But we saw a spot that was like
The perfect spot.
it was like a peak, and then between the peaks was the sun. And so we went back, and it was like maybe half a mile or something. It wasn't even a mile.
And then I thought I saw a car pulled over looking at it.
Yeah. And so like we were like, okay, and I kept driving even further, and then we got to like the forest, and we were like, we missed it. So we went back.
And we couldn't find it.
Like,
we just ended up back where we started from.
Yeah.
And there were even less pullovers than
We thought like we passed.
Yeah.
So I think we just made it up, and I think we're very sleep deprived and
What's going on?
I don't know.